Hello and good afternoon, everybody over at Bright Energy. My name is Josh Nelson here at Midwest Valley Marketing. I want to send you guys over this quick custom video kind of showing how you guys can increase your traffic to your website and turn that traffic into actual paying customers and increasing sales every single month, repeating month after month. So with that being said, what we're going to do is jump right into your website here. I absolutely love your guys' website. You got this video in the background talking about reimagining energy. I think that's an awesome idea. You also have $180 million plus in managed energy saved. This much saved right here, this much managed energy. The equivalent is super cool to see. One thing I don't notice a lot of though is content. You guys have all of these big names that you guys have done, but you guys don't have a lot of content that actually target who can see your site. We want to have content. Google loves content, all kinds of content, not just any kinds of content, but keyword rich content, right? We want to be targeting certain keywords, and we can figure out what keywords you guys are already currently targeting, and we can look at it right here. Something I like to use is called Ahrefs. This is a paid tool that we use on the daily. There is free versions out there we prefer to use. This shows me all of your guys' data. You have 206,000 backlinks, or 2,006 backlinks, 276 referring domains, and you're targeting 238 keywords as of right now, with roughly 33 organic traffic to your guys' website currently. So we want to figure out how can we increase that traffic, right? Well, we're going to take a look at our keywords and figure out what our keywords are searching for volume. 200 most, 600 most, UMass, Amherst zip code. We don't really have a lot of high. We have 450 commercial energy. That's a good one. But there's not a ton of high search volume keywords that you guys are currently targeting. So we want to figure out how do we do that, right? Well, we take a look at the top electrician in Kansas City, Missouri at this moment. They are targeting 2.1 thousand keywords, right around the same amount of backlinks, and have about double their referring domains. But we're looking at keywords right now because that has brought their traffic up exponentially. They are targeting keywords that are getting 500, 300, 500, 500, 8,800, 200, 200. So there's all kinds of these keywords out here that we want to start to target that will draw more traffic into our website month after month. As long as it's in our site, we will be found for it. We just need to worry about the positioning and ranking of them later on with the backlinks, right? Backlinks are the same way. We can review what kind of backlinks our top competition has. And maybe these guys aren't the best option, but they are the number one searched right now in Google. I see you guys do a whole lot of commercial stuff, so definitely maybe want to focus on a company that's really killing it with commercial electrical and figure out what they're doing. But same thing regardless, we want to target all of the backlinks that are out there. We want to figure out what good citations they have, what good guest posts that they have, and vice versa, right? Same thing, we can go in and look at every single one of these. Not to mention, you guys are going to want to optimize this. We only have currently five reviews at this moment. Your top dogs on this industry in this page have over 400, I think, or it's 300. So they're really targeting really well. My apologies, guys. Had a very slow computer there and it didn't want to load for me, and I didn't want to make you wait for it. So with that being said, then we're comparing ourselves with our reviews to the top dogs here, right? We have Jeremy Electrical with 360 reviews. Mr. Sparky Electric's got 713. So we really want to start getting those review numbers boosted up to the top. Not to mention, we also could run Google guaranteed ads. These are a great way to rank to the top without having to wait for the organics or the SEO to kick in. But it's a great way to reach the top. They are expensive, but they work. In our GMB, we want to have these reviews like I'd mentioned, but we also want to make sure that people can call us. They can share our information. We want to have our hours of operation, our health and safety concerns if possible, request a quote, all of our services being optimized as most as possible, and as well as their about section. These details are always great. The more, the merrier on this stuff. Google will rank you if this is completely filled out. Professionally done. So with that being said, everybody over at Brighter Energy, again, my name is Josh Nelson here, giving you this information, hoping this helps you guys grow in some way, shape, or form. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns about this video, feel free to reach back out, and I'd be happy to help you guys. With that being said, Have a great day.